General Xiangjin of the People's Republic of China, Honorable Mayor Michael Lopez Rama with his wife Malu, members of the City Council, also a Commissioner of the Tourism Commission, Honorable Dondon Hontiveros, Honorable Noel Wenceslao, and Honorable J.P. Lavilla, CCT or Cebu City Tourism Commissioners, Project Chairpersons, Joey Gaisano and Alfred Reyes, and our Commissioner Edwin Ortiz and Senbeth Arellano, President of the Lim Brotherhood of Cebu, Mr. Charles Lim, President of the Cebu Yue Tong, Mr. Anton Tan, President of the Go Association, Mr. Tommy Go, BOD of the Go Association, Rodrigo Go, Cebu Cheyong Kwa Chua Family Association, President Go, Cebu Kangha Family Association, President Mr. Alexander Uy, members of the Fu Guangshan Chuan Temple, the Philippine Chinese Chamber of Commerce led by Mr. Tony Chuan, the Cebu Thai Guan Ong Association led by Mr. Peter Ong, the Yap Families Cebu Incorporated, representatives of the Cebu Cheres School Incorporated, Cebu Eastern College, Philippine Gospel School, University of Cebu, Sacred Heart School, Ateneo de Cebu, Bethany Christian School, kanatong tanan, Cebuanon, maayong hapon kanatong tanan. Ni hao. A very warm welcome to the second annual Red Lantern Festival. Today, we gather here to honor not only the arrival of the new year, but also the deep roots of the Chinese culture and tradition in our beloved city. From pre-Spanish, your Honorable Mayor Michael Rama, and my dear friend, Mrs. Maro Rama, and all the honorable commissioners and the city councilors, honorable representatives, and the presidents of Chinese communities and the Chinese chambers. Please forgive me not to mention all the names, but ladies and gentlemen, all the distinguished guests, Cebuano friends, good afternoon. It is such a big joy for me to join you in this grand celebration. Cebu City is a harmonious and vigorous city. Today, once again, we together witness another extremely good example, showing Cebu's diversity of culture and creativity and unity of the communities, as well as the friendship between our two sides. I'm very proud that Filipino Chinese community has been contributing so much to the lovable city where they truly belong. They do their utmost to contribute to well-being to Cebuanos, and has already become an indispensable part of the Cebuano big family. And we all witnessed peace, love,
a better version of Cebu City, right here, right now, free and easy. Let us move into the future, hand in hand. No one's ever gonna be left behind. Just trust the commands of Mayor Michael Rama. You gotta have a heart. Together we can make great things happen. A Singapore like Cebu City. Let's help to make this dream come true and show to the world the true spirit of being Cebuano. Hep, hep, magtinapalay kita, magbaranggayan-gayan, ihemlotarismo. We have been through the test of time. This pandemic has hurt us, yet we still shine. With the help of the miraculous Señor Santo Niño, we remain sublime. Let us move into the future, hand in hand. No one's ever gonna be left behind. Just trust the command of Mayor Michael Rama. Let's make a stand. Together we can make great things happen. A Singapore like Cebu City. Let's help to make this dream come true and show to the world the true spirit of being Cebuanos. Our vision for a greater Cebu City, our collective aspirations for you and me. Our quest is to shape our destiny. We'll do great for our beloved city. Hooray, hooray. Together we can make great things happen. A Singapore like Cebu City. Let's help to make this dream come true and show to the world the true spirit of being. Together we make great things happen. A Singapore like Cebu City. Let's help to make this dream come true and show to the world the true spirit of being Cebuanos. In God we trust for a Singapore like Cebu City.
Ladies and gentlemen, the father of the city of Cebu, National President of the League of Cities of the Philippines, National Vice President of the Union of Local Authorities of the Philippines, the consummate public servant, Honorable Mayor Michael Lopez Rama.
Together we can make great things happen. A Singapore like Cebu City.
谢谢. When I will say 谢谢, in Chinese you answer it 不客气. Again, 谢谢. Very good. 你好. Xin niên quay lớp. Con hề bát cha. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow public servants, with my only wife over there, and please stand, Malu, Langga, and do a waving. My only lady, and all councilmen and women, please all stand, led by Acting Vice Mayor Don Hontiveros. Can you please do like that, councilmen and women? A round of applause to all of them, because as mayor of the city of Cebu, I can only be as effective, efficient, and be able to accomplish so much since 31 years ago. I've been in